Welcome to Sharad B. More English School online lecture. Student, today we have to see the water pollution. We have completed the air pollution yesterday. Can you recall? These are not in your syllabus, but we will see the question answer. From which water sources do we get the water suitable to use? So here in the city we get the water from the dams. Okay, constructed by the government. Next, for which different purpose do we use the water? Now for which different purpose? So yes, for washing, for clothing, for drinking, the water is used. Third, how much percent of the earth area is occupied by the water? Now yes, now how much area of the water occupied by the earth surface? Okay, so yes, about 70, about 70 to 71%. Okay, area is covered by the water. What are the reason of the water pollution? Now is mixing of the water which are released from the industries, water of the gutters, and washing of the clothes near the river, washing of the vehicles, and bathing of the animals in the rivers, like etc., cause the water pollution. Why does water is referred as the molecule of life? Because yes, our body itself contain the highest proportion, and yes, without the water there is a no possibility of life. That's why it is called as the molecule of life. Water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to mixing of the natural or artificial unwanted material. When it becomes harmful to living organism due to decreased oxygen content, when epidemic diseases are spread through the water. So when water is said polluted, when there is a mixing of the harmful substances in the water that produce the harmful effect on the living things, called water is polluted. Fresh water or marine water pollution include physical, chemical and biological changes. The fresh water includes the water of the lake, rivers, etc., and marine water, the water which are found in the sea and oceans, are called as the marine water. So now yes, the pollution of the marine as well as fresh water includes the physical, chemical and biological changes. Means yes, the property, physical property of the water may change, like color, chemical properties if the chemicals are mixed in the water, and biological changes means the biological things which are present in the water is in excess or in less amount, then it is called as the biological change. Water pollutant. Now which substances pollute the water? That are called as the water pollutant. Now biological pollutant. Water does not remain potable due to algae, bacteria, viruses, parasite, etc. Diseases are spread due to the biological pollution. When the biological things added to water in excess amount, then the water is called as the polluted water, and this polluted water is cause the many disease in the human being as well as animals. Now this biological pollutant includes the algae, bacteria, virus and other parasites. Now inorganic pollutant. When inorganic material added in excess amount to the water, then that pollutant are called as the inorganic pollutant. Now it includes suspended particles of the sand, dust, soil particle, precipitates of the salt, compound of the arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury, traces of radioactive material. So here which are the inorganic pollutant like sand, dust particles, soil particles, arsenic compounds, cadmium, lead, mercury, and radioactive materials. So all these are the inorganic substance, and when they are present in the water and polluting the water, then they are called as the inorganic pollutant. Now organic pollutant. Okay, the organic material when added in excess amount in the water, then that pollutants are called as the organic pollutant. It includes the weedicides. Weedicides are the chemicals which are used to kill the weeds which grow along with the crop plants. Insecticides are used to kill the insect. Fertilizers are added to obtain the good yield. And the sewage means the waste water that is secreted from the houses. Industrial effluent, etc. Industrial effluent, the acids, bases, and other chemicals which are flown along with the water is called as the industrial effluent. So these are the organic compound, weedicides, insecticide, fertilizers. That's why yes, these are called as the organic pollutant. Now do you know large number of the tanning center at present in the Tamil Nadu. Wastewater from those center is released into the Palar river, hence that river is referred as the Pajar gutter river. Now large number of tanning centers. Now tanning centers are related to the yes factories of the leathers. So these factories are situated near the river of Palar, and because of this waste material, this river become much polluted, and that's why it is called as the gutter river. Okay, as shown in the figure 8.7. Now this water is very dirty and contain the various organic, inorganic, and biological pollutant. The same way the river Palar is also polluted as shown in figure 8.7. That's why that river is called as the gutter river. Now see the reasons of the water pollution. क्या क्या reasons है? So already now yes we have seen the organic, inorganic, and biological pollutant. These are the reasons of the pollution of the water when they are added to the water. Okay, now see the natural reason of the water pollution. First one, aquatic weeds. Aquatic weeds, the weeds which grow in the water called as the aquatic weeds. वो जो घास पानी के अंदर उगते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? aquatic weeds. तो how the aquatic weeds pollute the water? So aquatic weeds takes the dissolved oxygen from the water, and because of that there is a lack of oxygen in the water. Hence the oxygen content of the water decreases, and this will become unsuitable for the other living creature in the water. That's why that water is called as the polluted water. Okay, so what happens? Depletion in oxygen level, because most of the dissolved oxygen is used by the that weeds. That's why the oxygen level become less in that water. Changes in the natural quality of the water, and because of decreased amount of oxygen the quality of water also change. Second, decomposing matter means decaying matter. The matter which present in the water decay is called as the decaying matter. Now you see decomposing bodies of plant and animals, when they present in the water in excess amount, the foul smell comes out from it, and that's why water get polluted. Third, mud and sludge. When mud and sludge mix in the water, that water become muddy. Suspended particles float in the water, and that's why water get polluted. Soil erosion. Many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil erosion. Many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil erosion. So because of soil erosion, yes, biotic factor means living things and abiotic factor means non-living things added to the water when that soil is flown by the rain waters and reach to the rivers, and then because of this water get polluted. Microbes like fungi and bacteria. Now yes, microscopic organism like fungi and bacteria when reaches to water by flowing water of the rain, that water get polluted. Now algae, excessive algae growth pollute the water. When excess algae grow in the water, they take the dissolved oxygen in excess amount, and because of this the water get polluted. Nematodes, okay, some nematodes flow in with rainwater. Now these nematodes are the living things. When they are flown by the rainwater, they mix in the water and that water get polluted, because if this water is drink, then they cause the many diseases in the human being and animals. Now is man-made regions, domestic sewage. Sewage means क्या? The water which are created from the bathroom, released from the bathroom and toilet are called as the sewage water. So domestic sewage means the waste water that is released from the houses called the domestic sewage. Domestic sewage from the villages and cities is disposed of in the river, and we have seen the water which are coming out from the toilet and bathroom, they are released in the gutters, and gutters are connected to the rivers or sea. That's why the that water get polluted, because this contain the waste material of the human being and the soap and other yes materials in that sewage water. Second, industrial effluent. Various pigments, bleaching chemicals, leather pieces, fiber, mercury, lead, etc. are released into the water. Okay, the water which is released from the industry that contain the pigments, bleaching chemicals like acid bases, leather pieces and fiber pieces, lead, mercury types of the yes metals, and when they add to the water, then water get polluted, and this type of the release in the this type of the release of the liquids in the yes river is called as the industrial effluent, which are released from the industry. Oil spillage. Now yes, while transportation cleaning of the tank, oil spills it into the water. Now we know that yes, in our country the demand of the fuel completed by importing the oil from the other country, and while transportation sometimes there is leakage from the tanks or from the drums, and when they leak, that time that oil release in the sea water or river water, and that cause the formation of the black layer on the oil, black layer of the oil on the river water or sea water, and because of this the penetration of the oxygen retarded, and that's why water get polluted, because the aquatic life do not get the sufficient amount of the oxygen to survive, and they start dying. Use of the fertilizers and pesticides. Use of the fertilizers and pesticide. NPK containing the chemical fertilizer. NPK means क्या है? Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So now yes, when these elements are present in the chemical fertilizer, they if used in excess amount, and then they are flown through the river waters, rain waters, and because of this the water get polluted. Pesticide like endrine, chlorine, carbonate containing the pesticide flow and mix with the water. Other reasons: disposal of the human waste, washing of the clothes, decomposing hemp and flax in water, dispose of ashes, flower or spring to God, water from the thermal power plant, etc. Now other region that are man-made regions. Now disposal of the human waste. Okay, so now is we know that the waste material which are yes excreted by the human being, they are released into the river or yes into the sea, that cause the water pollution. Washing of cloth, okay, washing of the cloth near the rivers or dams, lake, etc. Disposal of the ashes, we know that, okay, after the death the bones and ashes after burning the body are released into the river. Floral offspring of the to the god, and the flowers which are used, okay, for worship of the god, जो पूजा करने के टाइम जो क्या होते हैं फ्लावर्स यूज होते हैं, द गार्लैंड्स विच आर मेड अप ऑफ द फ्लावर्स, जो क्या होते हैं वो गार्लैंड्स होते हैं जो फूल के बने होते हैं, okay, so they are removed every day and they are released into the rivers, and because of this, when they decompose in the water get polluted. Now effect of the water pollution. First one, effect on the human being. Disease like hepatitis, typhoid, disease of skin and alimentary canal. Now in human being, hepatitis, typhoid, skin related disease and alimentary canal related disease. Alimentary canal means it is related to the digestive systems. Okay, so yes, it produce the disease like hepatitis, typhoid and the alimentary canal. Ailments of the liver, kidneys, brain, deformities in bones, hypertensions. Now yes, it producing the disease in the liver, kidneys, brain deformities, etc. because of the water pollution. Second, effect on the ecosystem. Retarded plant growth. Okay. Second one, effect on the ecosystem, retarded plant growth, loss of the plant species, increase in the salt content of the water, decreased dissolved oxygen level, disturbance in aquatic ecosystem, death of the aquatic animals, adverse effect on the seabirds. Now see here in the figure, yes, what is shown? Yes, many fishes are died. Okay, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी फिशेस क्या हुई, मरी हुई दिखाई दे रही है. तो ये क्या है, ये इसमें से कोई भी क्या हो सकता है, रीजन हो सकता है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यस दैट फिशेस आर डाइड. नाउ यस व्हाट इज इफेक्ट ऑन इकोसिस्टम, रिटार्डेड प्लांट ग्रोथ. क्योंकि प्लांट ग्रोथ क्या होगा, रिटार्ड मीन्स क्या होगा, कम होगा. लॉस ऑफ प्लांट स्पीसीज, तो सम स्पीसीज विल वैनिश बिकॉज दे नॉट बी एबल टू एडजस्ट इन दैट पॉल्यूटेड वाटर. कुछ पॉल्यूटेड वाटर में अपने आप को एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे वैनिश स्लोली स्लोली, वो क्या होंगे, ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. इंक्रीज इन द सॉल्ट कंटेंट ऑफ द वाटर. अभी इस वाटर में क्या होगा, ये सॉल्ट का कंटेंट भी इंक्रीज हो सकता है. अगर क्या होगा, वो वाटर में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इस तरह का केमिकल फ्लो होकर आता है, तो ऐसा पॉसिबल है. डिक्रीज डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन लेवल. नाउ यस, डिक्रीज डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन, जो डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन अवेलेबल होता है किसके लिए, एक्वेटिक लाइफ के लिए, वो उसका अमाउंट क्या हो सकता है, कम हो सकता है. डिस्टर्बेंस इन एक्वेटिक इकोसिस्टम, जो एक्वेटिक इकोसिस्टम है उसमें डिस्टर्बेंस हो सकता है. डेथ ऑफ द एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स है उनकी डेथ. एंड एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑन द सी बर्ड्स, ऐसे बर्ड्स जो डायरेक्टली क्या होते हैं, ये सी के ऊपर डिपेंड रहते हैं, उनकी भी क्या हो सकती है, डेथ हो सकती है और अदर इफेक्ट्स में हैपन.